Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to check Shopify store revenue. So you need to connect Google Analytics first to your Shopify store using Google Tag Manager. It allows for precise tracking of customer actions, conversion and site performance, all in one dashboard. Just follow this complete setup guide. Firstly, go to Google Tag Manager website. Click Create an account and fill in the details like account name, container name, which is your URL, and target platform. Once created, GTM will generate two snippets of code. One goes in the head section and one goes right after the body tag. Just a tip, these scripts will connect you to Shopify store to Google Tag Manager so it can collect and send tracking data. In Shopify admin, go to settings, checkout. Find checkout, extensibility and click upgrade if it isn't already enabled. This ensures GTM and Analytics can track checkout and order confirmation pages properly. Now from the Shopify admin, go to online store, themes, then edit code. Under snippets, click add a new snippet, then name it GTM customer events storefront. Paste your GTM script code, then save changes. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks like this.